Hi everybody, meteorologist Joe Thompson with you here from the NBC 24 Weather Center. We sort of had a mixed bag out there for our Sunday. It was wet and dreary to start the day, but the afternoon turned out to be very refreshing and very comfortable as the rain moved out and the sunshine returned across northwest Ohio and southeast Michigan. Let's show you what it looked like on our satellite and radar. You can see those showers that worked their way on through Sunday morning. Some places did pick up an appreciable amount of rainfall. Some of the highest totals I saw was actually in excess of an inch in our southern viewing area down towards Van Wert, Upper Sandusky, both recorded more than an inch. Here around the Toledo area, we generally saw between a quarter and a half inch of rain. So a good soaking rainfall, definitely good for any of your gardens out there and for the farm fields across the region. But those showers moved out and the sunshine popped out with just a few fair weather clouds for Sunday afternoon, which again was nice and comfortable. High temperatures were in the mid 70s. And we're going to keep that nice weather going into Monday. But if you look off far to the south and west, down into Missouri and northern Arkansas, you see those showers down there. That will be our next rainmaker, but it is going to take some time for that moisture to return to our area. For now, high pressure will be in control for us as we go through the next about 24 to 36 hours. Let's take a look at your forecast. We're going to start this at 6:30 p.m. Sunday evening. This model is popping up showers for our area. Disregard those. It's just a little too active. We're not going to be seeing any more rain as we go through the rest of our Sunday evening or Monday morning. So nice and comfortable while you sleep. We're going to be nice and dry for the day on Monday. Lots of sunshine mixing in with a few fair weather clouds, but should be comfortable once again. High temperatures back in the 70s for our Monday afternoon. We'll go to Monday night. We'll keep things dry, but Tuesday morning we'll probably start to see clouds increase, and you do see those showers and thunderstorms from the south slowly getting closer. And I think by Tuesday afternoon and Tuesday evening, we are going to start to see a chance for some scattered showers and thunderstorms. Those are going to be in advance of a warm front that's going to be slowly lifting its way towards the north. And because of the slow moving nature of that system, there's going to be more chances for showers and thunderstorms Tuesday night and into the day on Wednesday. So looking a little unsettled for the middle of the upcoming week. For the rest of our Sunday night, expect mostly clear skies and very seasonable conditions. Average lows 56 degrees, and that's what I'm going with for the low in Toledo. So nice and comfortable once again. And it's looking very nice for your Monday as well. Again, just a couple of fair clouds mixing in with the sunshine, and those temperatures just feels great. The Goldilocks temperatures, not too hot, not too cold, with highs in the mid to upper 70s. A great Monday all around. Like I said, I believe we start off Tuesday on the dry side before the showers and thunderstorms return for Tuesday afternoon and Tuesday night, continuing through the day on Wednesday and even into Thursday morning, and possibly some isolated activity for Thursday afternoon. You see temperatures very slowly inching up, getting back in the low 80s for the day on Thursday. We end the week, though, like we start, comfortable with highs back in the upper 70s for our Friday. So a nice finish to the week, and I think we'll keep the nice weather into the first half of next weekend. We will have to keep a chance for some showers and thunderstorms probably late in the day for Father's Day. We'll get a little better feel for that forecast as we get closer to the upcoming weekend, but it does look like it could be a little stormy again for the second half of next weekend. But at least for Friday and Saturday, looking good, and Monday also looking good as well. But keep that umbrella handy for the middle of this week. That is your latest forecast. I'm meteorologist Joe Thompson. Have a great week.